Hello everyone, welcome to the Mercury Virtual. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to continue with your same module, that is Office System Development or the Office Solution Development. And in the last class we have studied about, we have talked about the how to automate the Word, that is how to create a console application that will automate the Word, that is how to make the console application and that will help to automate the MS Word, that is the word processing, that is a word software. So in the last class we have studied about how to create a console application that automates the word. So this section is also useful for the creating the Office Wiki, and we also talked about how to create the Office Wiki software that is available for the console application. So let's start with the previous class session what we have covered in the last class, then move to today's topic, that is how to automate the word using the Office Wiki software. So let's start with the previous class session. This is how to create a console application using the Word Wiki format that is used for contributing to the Word Excel file or the Word file that automates the Word. This section walks you about the creation of the simple application or simple console application that is available, that is used to automate the Word in a wiki format that is available for the Word document, that is used for the Word document. So for example, if you want to see the www.officewiki.net for a wiki profile that is used to capture the image file, that is used to capture the documents the office primary intro assembly, that is it is used for the PIA, that is the primary intro assemblies. Wikis also use the simple, easy to edit text file that any visitor to the wiki can edit without having to know the HTML. So without, if I don't know about the HTML, that's all, then only also we are able to do the wiki file. So we are able to do the WhatsApp application that is used for the console application that automates the Word application that is used for the Word file. So these text files have a simple representation that is available, that is used for the simple representation of the files of even complex elements as such as the table. So if I want to make the table as a complex element that is used for the table, our console application will read a simple text file that specifies the table in the wiki text format. So whatever the text format that is available, that is used for the wiki text format, that is used for the wiki text files. It will then automate the Word to create a table or word table that matches the text file specification. So if any text file specification that is available, that will automate the Word, that will automate the Word wiki file that is used for the console application that automates the MS Word. In the wiki text format, a table looks like this one. So this is one of the table that shows how to make the Word file complex, or how to make the complex file that we have studied. That is, these are the various properties that is available. One method is used, that is the delete method, that shows how to make the complex files, what are the various return types. Now this is the we can say the window that is used for the new project. So this is the console application that is available for the console part, that is used for the console application. We have studied about, that is how to use the Word wiki file that contains the various properties format that is used, that is covers the properties and assembly. So this is the solution explorer of the Word wiki that is available in this one, and by default a newly created console application references the console application assemblies that is available for the assemblies, or that is available for the direct assemblies that is used with the customer care service, that is used with the assemblies, that is used with the system.data or the we also need a at a reference to the Word 2003 PIA. We do this by right clicking on the application. So when we right click on the reference that is available in the and choosing the add reference from the pop-up that appears. This also shows the add reference dialogs in the figure 2.3. So this is the add reference dialog box that is available, and we want to go and we have to go on the com tab. So that is a com tab that is available. We have to go to the com tab for the various options that is available in the com tab. So these are the various components and these are the various parts that is available. So Visual Studio also adds the reference to the Word 2003 PIA and also adds the additional reference to the stdole, that is a standalone VBIDE, and the Microsoft.Office.PIA as shown in the figure 2.4. So that is shown in the figure 2.4, that is available as this one. So this is shown in the figure 2.1 that have a various references like Microsoft Office.co, then Office, then stdol, then system.data, then system.xml. So that is used as a XML data that is used for the various options. So com object is also used as a various object, and VBIT, that is the main of the subject, that is a Visual Basic Integrated Development Executive, is a PIA for the object model associated with the VBA editor integrated into Office. So whatever the Office application, whatever the data application that is available in the database applications that is used with the Office.dll, that is a PIA for the common functionality that is shared by the Office application. So whatever the shared application, whatever the shared data that is used with the Office.dll, that is a PIA for common functionality that is shared by the all the Office applications, such as the object model for the toolbars and the menu. So whatever the toolbar, whatever the Office application that is available with the toolbars and the object model. And now that the proper reference have been added to the console application that used to start the write code, and double click on the Solution Explorer window. So how it is used? So that is used with the Solution Explorer window that is used with the main source file for the console application. And if you have an outlining part, that is outlining turned on, you will see the using at the top of the program.cs like this one. So this is the references. So you have to use the program.cs file, that is the program file with a plus sign next to it, and click on the plus sign to expand out the code where the using executive or using directives are placed. So this is the we can say the code that is used with the how to place with the executive codes, how to place with the code that is used with the consecutive codes. So this is using Office equals to Microsoft Office.co. That means it is using the Microsoft.Office.co. That means core object will be used for this object, and that is used as a using Word Microsoft.Office.interop.word. Then this is using system.io, that is the system.input output is also used for the system modifications. And we alias some of the namespace, so we do not have to type the entire name, so such as the Microsoft.Office.interop word. So every time we want to declare the com object, so whatever the com object that is available, whatever the word object that I want to declare, that is declared by using the interop object that is used to declare the band object that is available with the com objects. So then it is using the namespace for the various references that is available. So that is a Microsoft.Office.core that is used with the Office references. So we have to type the Microsoft Office.interop.word every time we want to declare a word object. With the alias in the place, we can just type the word to specify the namespace, and we keep an alias namespace in place of the word and the office instead of just typing using Microsoft.Office.interop. So it is using the Microsoft Office.interop.word and importing all the types into the global space. This is because the word and the office defines 100 of types, and we do not want these all the type that is used with the program.cs files. And then this is the we are ready to wrote the same code that automates the word to create a table. So this is the code that is used to wrote the object types. So this is the various column index that is used in the various files, and this is the complete word wiki or word wiki implementation, that is how to implement the word wiki in a full content file. So this is the using system, that is it is using the system configuration. Then next is using the system dot collections dot generic, that is it is using the system, then there is a collections, then there is a generic that is available in this one. Then using system.text, that is using the system.text that is available for that one. Then using the system.io, that is the IO amount is used with the system.io. Then using office equals to Microsoft dot office dot core, that is it is using the office scenario that is used with the Microsoft dot office dot core. Then next is using the word, that is equals to the Microsoft Office dot interop dot word, that is used with the Microsoft Office, that is available with the Microsoft Office dot interop dot word. Then there is a namespace word wiki, that is the namespace is also used for the word wiki. Then there is a class program, so there is a namespace that is available, that namespace have a name, that is a word wiki, and there is a class, that the class name is a word or program. The next is a static void main string args, that is a void main is used, that is of the static type, and that is used for the string args, that is available for this one. Then word dot application, the application equals to new word dot application, so that is used with the word dot application. Then there is a variable that is used, that is the application equals to new word dot application, that is available when this one. The application dot visible equals to true, that is a variable is used, and that there is a dot visible concept that is used with this one, that is equals to the true value. That means it is using the void main that take two arguments. One is the string that contains the string value, that is the number of values. Then there is args that is available. Then there is a word dot application dot the application equals to new word dot application function. That means it is using the new word dot application function that is stored into the word dot application, the application. Then next is the application dot visible equals to true, that is a visible is also refers for the true value, that is also available for the true reference. That is the application dot visible contains a true value, that means it is always true, that is it is always 1. Then object missing, this is the same that we have studied yesterday, that is the object is created, that is a missing, that is equals to the system dot type dot missing. Then there is a word dot document, what is the variable name, that is the document, that is the application dot document dot add, so that is used with the dot application or the application dot document dot add. Then there is a reference missing, reference missing, reference missing, reference missing, that is the add function is used, and there are four references, four argument that is used, that is the missing variable is used, that is the reference missing, reference missing, reference missing, reference missing. Then use the text reader, then there is a reader, then equals to new system dot input output dot stream order args, that is the argument 0, that is the args function is used, the argument function that is contains the 0 value. Then there is a string, then there is a separators, that is a new string 1, then separator 0 equals to pipe, so there are two pipes is used, that is separator 0 equals to 2 pipe. Then int the row count equals to 0, that is the row count is also referred as a 0. Then there is a column count, or the column count, that is also taken as a 0. Then this is the syntax, so this is the, we can say the uh, uh, command that is used, that is the read the rows and the calculate the number of rows and columns. Then which is used, that is system dot collection dot generic list set string row list equals to new system dot collection generic dot list dot string, that is it is using the new system dot collection new string, that is using the generic list string value. Then it is used as a string row equals to reader dot read line, so that is used as a reader dot read line function, that is the read line function is used that contains in the row variable. So whatever the value that is available from the reader dot read line, that value will be stored in the row variable. Now next part is calculating the row value. If it is not equals to null, then only it is available, otherwise it is not available. That is while row is not equals to null, then row count plus plus row list dot add row. Then if it is the first row, then calculate the number of columns. If row count equals to 1, now check the condition. This is the while loop that will continue till it is not equals to null. Then check the condition. If row count equals to 1, that is the row count is 1, then string function or the string array that is used, that is a split header row equals to row split, then separators, then string split option dot none. The next is ignore the first and the last separator, that is a column count equals to split header row dot length minus 2, that is a column count that is available, that is equals to the split header row dot length minus 2, that is whatever the header row that is available, that is length minus 2 is also used for the column count. So this is the if function that is used. This condition, check for the condition, that is if row count equals to 1. So if row count equals to 1, then there is a string, then split header row that is available, and there are various separator that is used. And then there is a column count that is also using the split header row, that is a length minus 2. Then row equals to row or row equals to reader minus read line. function, that is a reader minus read line function is also used. Then curly braces will be closed. So this is the curly braces that is closed with the while loop. Next is how to create a table. So this is how to create a, or how to read the rows and calculate the number of rows and the columns. Now next is how to create a table. This is word dot range, then range variable is used, then the document dot range, reference missing, that is the reference missing variable is used. So that is the document dot range, that is the reference missing. Then it is using as a word dot table, then the table variable is used, that is equals to the range dot table dot add, then add dot range or add dot range value that will be available over reference missing. There are two reference missing that is available. Then this is the code that is used to populate the table, that is used for the int column index equals to 1, int row index equals to 1. Then it is used for each loop, that is contains the argument as a string r in the row list, that is a string split row equals to r dot split separators split options dot none. Then this is column index equals to 1, this is the row index equals to 1, this is the column index equals to 1, column index is less than equals to column count, then column index plus plus. Then word dot cell table dot cell row index column index, then cell row dot range dot text split row column index, then row index plus plus, that means the row index is plus plusing. Then next is a format table, that is how to format the table, that contains the table dot rows, then range dot bold equals to 1, table dot autofit behavior, word dot autofit behavior, that means it is using the autofit behavior that is combined in the behavior content, that is used with the autofit content. Then it is used for the wait for the input from the command line before exit. So before exiting, it is waiting for the command line that is run by the, or that is resolved by the system.console. So that is resolved by the system.console.write line. Then this contains the option that is a table complete, that means it will write as it is. So this system.console is used to write the concept, so to write the topic, or to write anything on the screen, like printf we have done, cout we have done in the C++ and the C. So this is used as a print system.console.write line, that the table complete. So it is showing like this one, that is a table complete. Then system.console.read line, that is used as a system.console.read line. Then next is quit without saving the changes. So that is a quit without saving the changes, that is also used for the object change, that is also used for the object that is equals to the false. Then the application dot quit, then reference save changes, reference missing. So it is used as a reference missing two times as a quit objects. Then this is closed, this is closed, this is closed. So this is the waiting for console, or waiting for the input command line before the exit. So that is the system.console.write line, that is a table complete. Then the system.console.read line, that is used. So one is used for the writing purpose, that is you write the code or write the two words, that is a table complete. Then system.console.read line, that is also used. Then quit without saving the changes, that is the quitting is also done without saving the changes. That is the object save changes equals to false. So that is a save whatever the or save changes, that is the object that is done, that is the object save changes equals to false, that is the object change that is equals to the false. Then the application dot quit, so the application will be quit by using the reference save changes, reference missing. Then this curly braces will be closed, this will be closed, this will be closed. So the three curly braces that is closed with this one, right? This is the code that shows how to complete the add-ins, or how to complete the complete word wiki implementation. So it is implemented by using the system collection, by using the system text, system input output, office, word, etc, right? So this next topic is the office add-ins, that is the next topic. So this topic we will discuss in the next class, that is in the Monday's class. Now listen carefully. Tomorrow there is a Christmas, there will be a Christmas, so there is no class in for the tomorrow. So there will be a holiday for the tomorrow, that is a Friday. So Friday, then there is a weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday. So now the class will be directly on the Monday, that is 28th of December. Tomorrow is a Christmas, and then there is a weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So the now class will be on the Monday, that is 28th of December. Alright, so thanks a lot everyone. If there is any doubts, you can ask the doubts from me. And remember, tomorrow there is no class. Alright, so thanks a lot everyone. Bye bye.